Hi everyone, I'm Agnes Wilson. I'm gonna talk about drawing to scale by Imperial. It is not always possible to draw on paper the actual size of real-life objects such as the real size of a car or an airplane. We need scale drawings to represent the size, so we use a drawing to scale technique. Drawing to scale lets you create an accurate plan in proportion to the real thing for equipments, house plans, floor plans, room layouts, landscape designs, and lots of engineering drawings. There are two methods of drawing: drawing to scale by metric and drawing to scale by imperial. Metric uses centimeters and meters, and imperial uses inches and feet. I'm gonna talk about drawing to scale by imperial. There are 5 steps. The first step is to convert a unit, that is from inches to feet. Second step is to multiply by the scale. Third step is to draw dash inches into dash inches and then draw a box around your answer. And the fourth step is to draw your item with a ruler and label the original measurements. And the last step is to indicate your scale below your drawing. Now we have covered the 5 steps in drawing to scale by Imperial. Now let's see how the scale works. The most common scales used in drawing to scale are 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16 and 1 by 32. Let's see the scale in our question. It is 3 by 4 inches equals 1 feet. The left hand side is what we actually want to draw. It is inches. It is smaller, so it fits on our paper, and our right hand side will be feet, and we are going to convert this side to inches so that we can draw it on our paper. Now let's look at our question. Our question is 16 feet 5 inches into 10 feet 2 inches. First, let's do the first two steps. Convert inches to feet and multiply by scale. Let's first take the first part, 16 feet 5 inches. Let's first look at 16 feet. The first step is to convert inches to feet. 16 feet is already in feet, so there's no need to convert it, just write it down. And the second step is to multiply by scale. The scale in our question is 3 by 4, so we're going to multiply 16 into 3 by 4. Which is the same as 16 into 0.75, which is equal to 12 inches. Now let's convert 5 inches to feet. 1 feet equals 12 inches, so 5 inches is equal to 5 by 12 feet. Second step is to multiply by the scale. So 5 by 12 into our scale, which is 3 by 4, is equal to 15 by 48. We simplify it to 5 by 16 inches. Then combine the two products and we get 12 and 5 by 16 inches. Now let's look at the second part, 10 feet 2 inches. First let's convert 10 feet. 10 feet is already in feet, there is no need to convert it, just write it down. And the second step is to multiply by the scale, that is 10 into 3 by 4, which is the same as 10 into 0.75, which is equal to 7.5 inches, which is the same as 7 and 1 by 2 inches. Now let's convert 2 inches. To convert 2 inches, divide 2 by 12, that is, we get 1 by 6 feet. Now let's multiply using the scale. 1 by 6 into 3 by 4 gives 3 by 24. Simplifying 3 by 24, we get 1 by 8 inches. Now let's combine the two products, 7 and 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8. We are taking LCD here. LCD is 8, so we get 7, 4 by 8 plus 1 by 8, which gives us 7, 5 by 8 inches. Let's look at the third step. The third step is to write down, draw dash inches into dash inches. We got 12 and 5 by 16 inches and 7 and 5 by 8 inches. So the third step is draw 12 and 5 by 16 inches into 7 and 5 by 8 inches and draw a box around your answer. Now let's see the first step. First step is to draw your item with a ruler and label the original measurements. The scale which I use in this assignment is this. We are using the inches part in the scale. This is 1 inch. Here is half an inch. This is 1/4 of an inch, and this is 1/8 of an inch, and this small line here is 1/16 of an inch. Now let's look at how to draw the item using the ruler. First we draw the 12 by 16 inches. Let's draw 12 inches first. Now let's look at how to draw 5 by 16 inches. This first tiny marking after 0 is 1/16 of an inch. So we are counting 5 1/16. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are going to draw 5 by 16 with the 12 inches. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is how we draw 12 5 by 16 inches. Now we're going to draw 7 5 by 8 inches. Let's draw 7 inches first. Now let's see how to draw 5 by 8 inches. This second marking after 0 is 1/18 of an inch. We count 5 1/8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we are drawing 5 by 8 with our 7-inch drawing. So here we go. This is how we draw 7 5 by 8 inches. Now we just close the box. And then label with the original measurements. So now we are done with the fourth step. Now let's move to the fifth step. Fifth step is to write the scale near your drawing. Our scale is 3 by 4 inches equals 1 feet. So we are done with the drawing part. So this is the final image of our drawing, and I hope you all understood how to do drawing to scale by Imperial. Thank you.